No. One thing you have to be careful about with the ice ferret, it's just like the cicada, is you can easily outpace your friendlies. A lot of the times you want to use that speed to shoot and maneuver, but a lot of the times you just have to sort of be aware of it, that you can outpace, be out in front. That's not where you want to be. You don't have ECM, so you have to be mindful of that as well. Don't know what that dude's doing. Shut down. Go for that dude's legs. Speaking of ice ferret. I'm gonna be careful here because oh, got some enemies. Don't come this way. It's up top. Back the hell off, Griffin. Back up. Golf's just gonna try to face tank. You know how useful LBs are? So useful. Gotta be careful getting shot from above. That Griffin won't, I mean that Gargoyle won't shut down, but, oh, it's an Atlas. So that's another thing that you gotta be careful with is the ice ferret's great if it has, oh, there's the UAV, god dang it. Gridiron's just sitting up there getting shots. Oh, we need our direwolf in the fight. There we go. Direwolf, I need you to get in it. Hey, push on left side, push. Direwolf's push. Atlas. Push, damn it. There's 3 of you. There's 1 Atlas, guys. Push. Don't run by him. Take him out. Switch over to Foxtrot. There you go. Foxtrot. Lost half my weapons on that too. Right torso on him. Go for that torso, go for that torso. He's X out. Go for that torso. I just want that. There we go. That's all you need to do. Just touch it. That's all you had to do is just touch it. Way to touch it, Phil. We got targets in D4, Charlie 5. Daryl's doing work over here. All this clutter just needs to go. There we go. There's one. Oh, there's still two over here? What the hell? XL, check. Go for his legs. Or torso on that. It's a standard! No! No! There's no reason. That's why he was so slow. Nurxel. No, ice cream and ferrets are great. Not together, mind you. Oh, there you go. Ice fridge, mission complete. I survived the things I do for you. No, the ice ferret is, like I said, it's one of those things where it